going to make you work for it. So you got to work. There you go. There you go. And do you see the whole difference between the behavior when I was doing it versus yours? Okay.
Not familiar with me. That's the feeling I'm getting. Still have to meet.
Still have to meet, precisely. See you guys? These are members of the seminar, and they're kind of watching me do this right now. Oh, 6-4.
Dang.
Oh! Oh! Nice catch.
Oh, 10 seconds.
Music and everything. Just make sure 15 push-ups between every round.
There you go, Noah.
You can, by the way, see if you can get 10. All right, guys. Thus far, has it been real?
Yes. Yes.
Legitimate?
Yeah. From the second we got here. Yeah.
In terms of how you feel about it, did this exceed expectations?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. And so what we can take back with us is priceless. Just meeting the people. Rudy, he's awesome, man. He's an awesome guy. Yeah, this whole experience has been absolutely well worth the money. I would do it all over again if I could. Absolutely. I would just. The only thing that sucks about it is that it's only 3 days.
Yep.
I just wish we could do this more, but
Yeah, it goes quick, doesn't it?
it does.
It does.
It does.
And for me, like, some of the skills are not just for the aerokinesis, but definitely practical to other parts of my life. So definitely gonna apply those.
Excellent. And so, ultimately, what would you say to anyone out there who says that what's going on out here is fake? What would you say to them?
Come out here. Come out here. Put your money where your mouth is. If you want to make claims that it's not real, come and check it out. You will guaranteed be disproved. Guaranteed, absolutely, 100%. Like, the videos out there don't lie, but being here, there are no words to describe it. I am trying to look for words, and none of them will do it justice. You have to come out here and experience it. It's a feeling. It's nothing verbal that can be portrayed.
Feel the same?
I feel the same, and then too, the courses themselves are a good introduction. So work your butt off at the courses and ask questions of the instructors, and they'll guide you. And once you do, from your best of your ability, you gotta see results yourself. So yeah,
And it's not just Mr. Grub who's real.
Real.
Daniel's real. The set's real.
Yeah.
Ian's real. Everyone who comes here,
Everybody has to part of
everyone we've met has not disappointed us. Has shown what they've learned, has shown what they know, and
it. Have their own style.
it's just a blessing to be here.
Yeah.
I love it.
Perfect. Thanks, guys.
No problem.
So I'm pushing it this way and he's trying to stop it to move it back this way. Pull this up here a little bit. There we go. Now he's already done it twice and I decided to turn on the camera a bit late. You can do it. You did it before. There you go. You're getting it. So again, people, I'm holding it steady this way. And he's trying to break it, stop it, and make it go the opposite way. Here. There you go. Now do it. We had to turn it back sideways. There you go. There you go. Oh, nice. That was freaking awesome. Now, let's just see if you can slow it down. It's slowing down. Okay, there you go. Now you'll be able to, in this video, you're going to see the designs I was talking about. Now I want you to take your fingers and start going like this. There you go. Yeah. Okay, now take your hand like this and push forward. Feel it. Feel what that's doing?
You didn't engineer this, did you?
Oh, this is engineered, yes. This entire area, because it's my home. It's already pre-programmed, we'll just say. But regardless, that is you that's doing it within this environment. There you go. Now I want you to think, just in your head, speed up. And feel what happens in the environment. Starting to try. It's picking up all around us. There you go. There you go. Nice. I want you to see it at these little tiny levels too, like that. No, keep going. You can keep playing. I'm trying to show them. You see these tiny little levels of it? That lets you know that these things are literally responding on a magnetic level to you. "15 push-ups between every round." Ian's now working on the fast speed bag. Took them to where they could barely punch and keep things moving right to where they're getting much more accurate. See if you can get 10. 3. Stop what they're doing, watch. I'm using their energy, the stuff that they're generating. Look at that. Literally off of everything that they're generating. I'm not having to use any of my energy field at all. So you should be able to see that these twists and turns that I'm doing, every single one of those are inspired by the movement. So if I take my hand and do what I was doing a second ago, which is twist like this, see that? See this? Just going back and forth, right and left, anywhere I want it, just from this energy going on in here. So. Oh, 6-4.
Woo!
Oh! Oh!
Oh, 10 seconds.
He's whipping me now.
9. Oh.
9.
I think it's actually amazing that we're seeing these two different actions, because this world is entirely separate from this world, okay? What's going on?
This one's main rotation is clockwise for me, but this one is rotating counterclockwise, and it's not even 3 to 4 feet apart.
That's right.
There's absolutely no way where it could be two different air streams coming in and we don't notice. Like,
So, incredible stuff. That was a good way to explain it. That's right, Ian. And Paul, you're doing a great job.
I'm trying to reverse it as well, so then I can get it to go faster.
Almost, Rudolph, almost. This is one of my favorite things to have students do.